Okay, guys. So let's start our new topic, that is implantation. So implantation, what is the implantation? It's occur on the 5th to 7th day of uterine life of embryonic period. Okay. So what is the implantations? The sperm will combine with the egg and give rise to the zygote that eventually give rise to the blastocyst. And this blastocyst, they will implant itself into the uterine cavity. Implant itself into uterine cavity or into the wall of the uterus. Okay, and this is known as the implantation, as simple as that. Now few hours after the what happened after the fertilizations, after, let's start about the explanation. After the fertilization, what happened? Zygote will go undergo process called cleavage. Zygote will go undergo a process called cleavage. Means it will divide into the two cells, that is two cell stage. First cell and the second cells. Two cell stage blastomeres. And this blastomere will further cleavage into the four cell stage. This is the four cell stage that eventually gives the 8 cell stage, that is the 8 cell stage. Finally structure forms known as morula, that is 16 cell stage. Assume it's 16 cells, so it is the 16 cell stage morula will form. Now morula are held in this place by the zona pellucida. Morula are held in the place by the zona pellucida. Now morula gradually develops into the advanced morula. They will develop into the 32 cell stage morula, that is known as advanced morula. Now what happens? This advanced morula, it will combine with the uterine fluid and develops into the forms that is known as blastocyst. Blastocyst, it are the two parts that differentiate into the outer cell mass and inner cell mass. Differentiate into the two parts, outer cell mass and inner cell mass. Outer cell mass give rise to the trophoblast and inner cell mass give rise to embryoblast. Why embryoblast? Because it gives the formation of the fetus. It forms proper embryo or proper fetus. Proper embryo. And white and what is the function of the trophoblast? It forms the epithelial membrane, contribute to placental formations. It contribute to placental formation, epithelial membrane formation. Now around the day 4, blastocyst hatches from the zona pellucida. Blastocyst hatches from zona pellucida and ready to attach itself with the zona pellucida. With wall of uterus. And when it will ready to attach itself with the wall of the uterus, so the trophoblast will enter and then trophoblast is converted into the syncytiotrophoblast. Syncytiotrophoblast. During the implantation, the following process will occur. Like we have the first, there is the cleavage, and after the cleavage, there will be compaction will occur. There will be the compactions. So what is the compactions? We can see here there is a loosely arranged blastomere. These are the loosely arranged blastomeres. These are the loosely arranged blastomeres, and they attached with the help of the tight junctions. Attached with the help of tight junction, and this is known as compactions. This is known as compactions. What is the compactions? Loosely arranged blastomere attaching with help of tight junction is known as the compactions. So first there is a cleavage, then second there is a compaction will occur. After that differentiation will occur. Now the what is the differentiation? 8 cell stage, it will differentiate into the 16 cell stage. Differentiation. 8 cell convert into or differentiate into the 16 cell means morula. So blastomere will differentiate into the morula. After the differentiation, the fourth one will occur. There is a cavitation. Cavitation means formation of the blastocele. Cavitation means formation of blastoceles, that is a cavity in blastocyst. Formation of blastocele, that is a cavity. So where the blastocele will form? Blastocele, there is inner cell mass, outer cell mass, and the cavity known as blastocele. Cavity is known as blastocele cavity. Okay. After the formation of the cavitation, after the cavitation done, the fifth process will occur, that is disappearing of the zona pellucida, that is known as hatching. That is known as hatching. So what happened is the disappearance of zona pellucida. Disappearance of zona pellucida. And after the hatching, there is a formation, means there will be an implantation will take place. Hence the implantation will take place. Okay, so there is a sixth process. First the cleavage, then compaction, then differentiation will occur. After the cavitation, and after the cavitation the hatching means disappearance of the zona pellucida, and then implantation will take place. And implantation, when it will occur, it will done on the 6th to 7th day of the embryonic period, and it will occur at the 5th day. Formation of the blastocyst or cavity formations, it will occur on the 4th and half day. 32 cell stage or 16 cell stage is from 3rd to 4th day, and the compaction, it will occur at the after the 24 hours after the fertilization. After fertilization. And cleavage occur as soon as fertilization, and the cleavage will occur. So this is about the implantations. So it occurs around the 5th to 7th week. So it's 3rd to 4th day after the fertilizations. Differentiation will start at 3rd to 4th day after the fertilizations, and the cavitation 4th and half day. Then the hatching process that will occur at the 5th day, and the implantation that occurs 6th to 7th day. And this is about the implantations. I hope you like this video and you gain from this video, and if you understood this, then please do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get the more updates. Thank you. Bye bye. Goodbye. Take